Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn what a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like giant half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater and cap. You can also apply this pattern in muffler. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 3 plus 1 excess stitch, multiple of 3 plus 1 excess stitch. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 13 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches multiple of 3, 5 times 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 and plus 3 12 and plus 1 extra stitch 13. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch from here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2 1 2. Now knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, 1 2 3. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over. This is 3 stitches pattern 2 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Knit 2 1 2, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, 1 2 3. Again one more time. Knit 1 knit 2 1 2, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, 1 2 3. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Knit 2 1 2, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. Slip pinch, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2 1 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purlwise, yarn in back. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Knit 2 1 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purlwise, yarn in back. One more time. Knit 2 1 2, yarn in front, slip 1, purlwise, yarn in back. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches. Knit 2 1 2, purl edge from wrong side. Now third row right side, slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2 1 2, yarn in back, slip 1, yarn in front. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So again purl 2 1 2, yarn in back, slip 1. One more time. Yarn in front, purl 2 1 2, yarn in back, slip 1. Here we complete 3 times repeat pattern. Now last 3 stitches. Purl 2 1 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2 1 2, slip 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn in front and slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Purl 2 1 2, yarn in front, slip 1. One more time, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, slip 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. So again we start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, 1, 2, 3. That's our repeat from here to here. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, 1, 2, 3. One more time, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 1 with 3 times yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a projects of fan. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.